Okay. If it moves away from you too fast, you can't get back in there. But we'll just see if it comes back up to right here. Then we'll get back in with another one. You see we're short one, and again it's dropping. This thing may be dropping all day. If it keeps on dropping, we'll keep on taking profit, won't we? Let's just take it. Okay, we got $65 on that little trade. Now we're up to $365. Pretty good, isn't it? Now let's see where we got out on that one. We got out at 38 right here. So you know what? As long as this trend continues, I may go back up and get in again. If I could, especially if I could get in up here somewhere above where I got out. So we could have stayed in. That's true, and we'd still be in a profitable situation. But what we're looking for is low stress, small trades that add up to big profit. And that's what will do a lot for your mental outlook as you start trading. And you know, sometimes we're going to get into a move where we're going to have 2, 4, maybe even 8 contracts open. But when we start our trades, we're going to be just one contract traders. And that one contract, you do that several times a day, can really add up to big money. In fact, at some point, once your account builds up and you've got, you know, several $1,000s in your account, you may do the same thing and start with 10 contracts. Now, if we had been using a 10 contract formula starting with instead of one, this $365, you just put a 0 behind it, would be $3,650. And you can get to that point. You can't start there, but you can get there. And you're just doing the same simple trades you always did. There's just a 0 behind it over here instead of a 1. You got 10 open. And you can get there. Just don't try to start there. We'll show you how you'll know whether you're ready or not for that. You know what? We're going to try to enter with another one here if it gives us a chance. Okay, it gave it to us. Now we're going to want to move this one up to here. In fact, we're going to cancel that one and we're going to put a 2 contract order in there. Make some simple little trades and make big profit with little trades. So let's watch now and see what happens. Maybe it's going to go back up there and fill us for that 2 contracts right here. If so, we'll have our biggest trade of the day so far. That'd be 4 contracts open. Okay, I put a target here now, and let's see if it reaches it. Okay, we got it. Took its time, and you know, it was showing that it might turn around and go up, but it looks like we're dropping again. Let's see, we got $60 on that little trade, so we're up to $425 now. In about an hour and 25 minutes. Not bad money. And again, the market is real slow today. Many days you could, within that time frame, you might be up to $500, $600, maybe even $1,000 for the day. But it is showing that, you know, it could be finding a floor in here, or it may break right through that floor. See, it upticks and then it's coming back down. So it's really kind of fairly an ugly day in the market. Again, I think because of the Thanksgiving holiday this week. But you know what? It's still not a bad day trading. I mean, how many of you would like to make probably after commissions about $400 here on a slow day in the market? You know, if you do that 4 or 5 times a week, you can see now why we say it's big money in small trades. we'd love to have you on our team. Get back with the person that showed you this video and let them know you'd like to get started. We'll get you up and running and making small, profitable trades that can turn into big money. Have a great day.